If you're watching this, you just received your fear tracker. Thank you for your purchase, or thank your friend, lover, parent trying to show interest in your hobby. Once you've unwrapped it, it should have everything you see here, with the inclusion of the two footings, which aren't shown but we'll get to later. The two parts of the rail have a clip that allow it to snap together as such. You just grip it and press firmly and it should snap into place. If you want a more secure fit, you can add a little bit of super glue to the seams before you put it together and it will stay together permanently. Now it's time to put your skulls onto the rail. Each skull has a number on the back of the skull that will correspond to the number on the back of the fear tracker. We have the number 1 in this case, so we're going to put it on the number 1 spot. So you just take it and press it on firmly and it snaps into place. And it should move freely, and then we'll do the same with the rest of them. Number 2 goes here, press on and snap. Number 3 goes here, press on and snap. You get the idea. We're just going to speed it up and do all the rest quick time here. If the skulls are seated properly, everything should spin freely, and you're good to go. As is, the fear tracker has a 2mm slot on the bottom, which will allow it to attach to the top of standard DM screens such as Daggerheart or Dungeons & Dragons. If you want to have it sitting on your table, I've included these 2 footings, which will just slide onto the edges of the fear tracker like so. And there we are. Now we're ready to play. You can remove the footings for easy storage just by popping them off. Easy peasy. If you have a non-standard size DM screen, in the description of this video I have a link to the files for these little adapter footings that will fit DM screens from 2.5mm all the way up to 25mm. You will have to print these yourselves, but there are a lot of local businesses that can do that for you, or even your local library. Anyway, that should be everything. Thank you very much for your purchase, and if you have any questions, shoot me a DM and I'll do my best to help out. Cheers.